Let's see how writers can add details to their stories. Writers add details with words. Writers can do this in many different ways. One of the ways that writers write a story in both pictures and words is that writers add details with the words. They do this so the reader knows exactly what happened. Some ways that writers can add details with words is by talk. Maybe the characters in your story have a speech bubble and you're going to share what that character is saying in your story. Maybe you're showing the action through the picture and through the words, like writing, listening, or cutting paper with scissors. Or maybe the setting, where and when the story takes place. Does it happen in the daytime or at night? Does it happen inside or outside? Does it happen during the fall, during the winter, during the spring or the summer? That would happen for setting. So remember, writers can add details with words and their pictures. And some of the things that they include are talk, action, and setting. So the first thing that you need to do, writers, you have your materials. You need your paper, crayons, and a pencil. And what you're going to be doing is when you write your story, you're going to pick a page and then ask, what do the characters say? And you think, what do the characters say in this part of my story? And then you can add a speech bubble to show what that character is saying in your story and write the words inside of the speech bubble. You also want to ask yourself, what did the character do? And think about the action that was done. Okay, what was happening in your story? What action was taking place? And what time was it? Was it in the daytime or at night? What time of year was it? Was it at somebody's home or outside in a different place or some other location? And then you're going to add that part. So good writers use these resources and add some details to their pictures. They can add details with words. Remember, writers write a story in both pictures and words. And they add details so the reader knows exactly what happened. Good writers add details that include talk, when the character is speaking, the action, and the setting. Remember to pick the page that you are doing this on in your story and think, what did the character say? What did the character do? And what time was it? And then go ahead and add that part. That's what good writers do. They add details with their pictures and details with words.